Hello everyone, in this lecture we will be defining our entity framework core code on project.json file. For this, open project.json file and we will add a new line under dependencies. Okay, start here. Now write Microsoft.entity framework core and select the version 1.0.0, which is the latest, and put a comma here and write on the new line Microsoft.entity framework core dot tools. Now let's define an element for tools before the version. Open scopes, write version 1.0.0, preview to final is the latest one, which is the latest, and after that we need to write a type and just write build for that. We just added our dependency now. Is it enough to write just these lines? No, we will add a new line under tools also. Let's add these lines. After banner minifier, write Microsoft.entity framework core write Microsoft.entity framework core Microsoft dot entity framework core dot tools. Open scopes. Now write the version 1.0.0 and preview final. And write imports to define the platform to work on, which is .NET 5.6. And put a comma after that and continue to portable -net 4.5 plus Windows 8 Win8. Don't forget to add a comma at the end of the line. Okay. Now project.json settings for adding entity framework core is just about this. Press save and wait for restoring packages. Sometimes you can wait a little longer when this process is done. Okay, let's try again. Save all. Yes, now restoring packages. You'll have to wait a little for the process to complete. When this process is done, it will add entity framework core to our project. Now let's check the references. Under .NET Core app, you can see entity framework core and entity framework core tool.